to number 30. Number 30, binabala ang bola. Number 30, drew the ball. Number 2, the pass. Back to still the number 05. Number 05. Pinasa kay number 1982, Dinira. No good. Again, no. Unang foul. Number 2, the pass. First personal foul. Second team foul. No good. That's one shot to Barco. One point. Mula sa tirang Paltro ni number 1982. Number 2, the pass. Binaba na ang bola. The pass, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Tinira for 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Number 03, pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 22. Jump shot. No good. Rebound ni number 16. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Dinilay ko na. Oh. Rebound by number 2, the pass. Pass to number 23, Alvarez. Jump shot. Foul! Counted! Number 205. Say first personal foul, second team foul. Rebound by number 1982. Pass to number 03. Back to number 1982. Pass to number 22. Number 22, Sulaksak. Using libre for 2 points. Benitez. He scored all 7. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 2, the pass. The pass. Back to number 30. Napitawan ng bola pero nakabutan, nakapay outside na. Sugar team ball. Number 05. Binaba ng bola. Ipinasa ka 1982. Oh. Double dribble. CY18 ball. Rebound number 2. Pass to number 30. Back to number 2. Number 2, the pass. Dribble the ball. Number 16. Pass to number 23. Alvarez. 10 to shoot. Oh. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Only number 22. Pass to number 1982. Pinigay number 05. Number 05. Pinasa kay number 1982. Pinigay na for 2 points. Alright. Number 2. Dribble the ball. Number 2. Pass to number 30. Number 30, pinigay ka number 23, Alvarez. No good. Ang tira ni spot. Number 23 again, jump shot. No good. Rebound ni number 1982 ng check out team. Pass to number 05, pinigay ka number 12. Number 12, dribble the ball. Gahanap na papasahan. Nakita si number 1982. Number 1982, pass to number 12. No good. Nakuha ni number 16 ang bola. Ipinasa ang ipinasa kay number 2. Ipinasa kay number 2 ang bola pero tinira agad ito. Sumablay ang tira paparudo. Nakuha ng checker team kaya pinasa kay number 1982 ang bola. At ipinasa kay number 05 in-spot, no good. Nakuha ng foul si 1982. His foul. Red. Number 3, first personal foul, third team foul. No good. Last one shot to Balcro. Paalala po sa lahat po ng ta-timeout at magsasab, lumapit lang po sa harapan ng committee. For 2 points by number 05. Ay, number 22 pala. Sorry na. Number 2, Debas. Debas. Pass break and number 05 for 2 points. Inbound number 16, pass to number 30. Number 30, with the ball. Pressure for 2 points. Number 05, pass to number 22. Number 22, Pinira, no good. Only number 22, number 3, pass to number 30, Benitez. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 30 ang bola, bilis. Pinasa na number 16. Number 16, jump shot, no good. Nakuha na ni number 05 ang bola. Pass to number 22. Number 22, jump shot. For 2 points. Time out! Ano ba? Sino ba na time out? Uy, tropa. Magbabalik ang programa ninyo makalipas ang ilang paalala. Time out din? Time out din daw, checker team. Ngayon na po. Inbound number 2, pass to number 30.
Number 30. Pass to number 1. Binigay kay number 21, jump shot. No good. Rebound kay number 13, no good. Nakuha ni number 22, pass to number 11. Sinalaksak ni layup, no good. Rebound by number 1. Parang walang... Number 1, pass to number 13, no good at the spot. Nakuha ni number 2, the pass to number 13. Sinira, no good. Oh! Step on the line. Remaining time is 43 seconds. 40 seconds. Number 1, take shot. Pinasa kay number 13. Pinira, no good. Pass break. Nakuha ni number 2, the pass. Pass to number 1, Hubahid. Pinasa kay number 21. Ang layo sa ring. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola ng trigger team. Pinasa kay number 11, jump shot, no good. Number 30, pinababa ang bola. 5 seconds. Jump shot. The end of the first quarter. the ball game. Parang may nakikita pa akong isang burger.
Okay, inbound. Number 22 and number 11, pass to number 12. Number 12, direct bola bola. No. Number 03, binigay kay number 22, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola ng CY18. Number 13, pass to number 1. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound di number 22, pass to number 12, binigay kay number 11 ang bola. Number 11, sumalaksak, tinira, nakakuha ng 2 points. Inbound number 21, pass to number 30, binigay kay number 1, humahit, dribble the ball. Pass to number 21, tumira for 3 points. Ang tirang spot ni Gaspay, number 21. Number 11, dribble the ball. Nabitawan ng bola, kaya sa CY18 ang bola. Inbound in number 13, pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez. Dinidribble ang bola. Ibinigay kay number 2, Depas.
Tol, wala nang checkpoint dyan.
Number 1982, binaba na ang bola. Tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 30, ipinasa kay number 1.
Parang seminar lang ang post.
For 2 points. Inbound. Two. No. Give it. Look. Look. Come. Pass it. Rira. Look. Hello, hello. Number. Yep. Pass to number 30. Jump shot. No good. O pa rin ni number 30 ang bola, Benitez. 10 to shoot. Number 1, Wahid, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 03. Back to number 22. Number 22. Dribble ball still by number 2. The pass. The pass. Pass to number 1. Wahid. Foul counter. By number 1, Wahid. Just call rep. Number 11. First personal foul. First team foul.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. One shot. Foul throw. 1 point. In bound. Number 12 pass to number 05. No. 5 na bola. Number 6. Pass to number 98. Tira for 2 points. Number 1, Humahid. Buta ng bola, ang bilis. Pass to number 30. Binigay ka number 13 at Pingla. Palcutila. Palcutila. Patilya. Patilya nila. Number 05, dribble the ball. Number 05. Gahanap ng papasahan, nakita sa number 11. Number 11. Binigay kay number 03 ang bola, take shot. Pinasa kay number 1982. Back to number 03. Ayun, nakapit-kapit. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 21, Gaspay. Pass to number 1. Bubahid. Pass to number 2. The pass. No good. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola, pass to number 05. Number 05. Pass to number 1982 for 2 points. All 20, mga kapuso. Ay, 21-20 in favor of Tegratian. Number 1, Wahid, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 1982. Number 1982, pass to number 05. Number 05, tinira, no good. Ang nakuha ngayon ni number 11 ng ball. Number 11, dinitibo, tinira ng spot, no good.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Inbound, number 21. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Nababa ang bola. Number 30, dribble on the ball. Number 30, jump shot. No good. Tapik ang bola ni 1982. Nahuli number 30 at pinasa ka number 05. Number 05, pass to number 1982.
1982.
8 to shoot.
8 to shoot. 8 to shoot.
6 to shoot. Still by number 21, Gaspay. Pass to number 1. Number 1, Gaspay. Foul by number 12. First personal foul, second team foul.
Mahilig kami sa magaganda. Katawan ng nakikita.
1 point. Wala sa tirang Paltrow. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Rebound by number 1982. Diliban ang bola, pass to number 03. Number 03, pass it is still by number 1. Hubay, pass break to number 2. 23, Alvarez. Binigay kay number 21, Gaspay, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni Alvarez, tinira for no good. Rebound by number 30, Benitez. Dribble the ball. Take the shoot. Number 21, Gaspay, jump shot. No good again. Scatter it up. Number 1982. Tapik ang bola, pero nakuha ni number 05. Number 05. Dribble the ball. Tumigod. Binigay kay number 1982. 1982. Nawala ang bola. Same ball. Check your team ball. Oh, outside CYA team ball. Touchdown rep. Mamaya na po. Number 3 for 2 points. Espinosa. Inbound number 03, pass to number 05. Number 05, tinaman ang bola. Number 05 dribble the ball. Sinalaksa, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 3, Espinosa. Pass to number 30. Number 30, Benitez, tinaman ang bola. Pass to number 13, tinira for 2 points. Labang na po ang CY Gampiel. Number 03, pinababa na ang bola. Ipinasa kay number 11. At ipinasa naman kay number 1982, pass to number 12, tinira for 2 points. Inbound number 13, pass to number 1. Number 1, tinaba na ang bola. Pass to number 3, Espinosa. No good. One in number 12, pass to number 05. Number 05, dribble the ball. Pass to number 03, jump shot. No good. Ang bilis ni number 1. Hubahib. Tumalaksak. Layup to 2 points. Foul. Count pass. Who's foul? Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Sino foul? Number 11. Pass break to number 01. Foul. Then number 22. Number 22, layup for 2 points. Inbound, number 13, pass to number 1, pass to number 13. Number 13, sino ba ang bola? Number 30, pass to number 23, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 25, jump shot. 4-3 points. Nakuha ng jackpot. Number 11, pass to number 03, jump shot. For 2. Number 03. We'll be right back. Number 13, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 1, Hubahib, sumalaksak. Inangat. No good. Rebound by number 3. Foul. By number 22. First personal foul. Going to penalty. Last one check. No good. Nakuha ni number 11 ang bola. Number 11. Pass to number 05. Binigay kay number 22. Follow up for 2 points. Inbound number 25. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Give the ball. Remaining time. Last 1 minute. 1 minute. Number 25 again. Jump shot. 3 points. The score 29-33 in favor of CY ATM. Number 05. Sinira, no good. Follow up, no good. Ako na number 13 ng CY ATM. Number 13. Diniretso na pero pinasa kay number 1. Number 1 valid. Last 25 seconds. Jump shot, no good. Ako ni number 22, pass to number 05. Pass break to number 1982. Number 3. Yun, binuhat daw yung bangko. Second personal foul. First team foul. Nabuhat daw yung bangko. 15 seconds. A chance for 2 points. Inbound. 6 seconds. Okay, back to we're back to the ball game. Okay, inbound. Oh. Sige. Number 27. Number 2 to pass. Pass to number 13. Still by number 2. Number 1, alimutan ko. Number 27, bigay number 11. Number 11. Naipasa sa wala. Outside. Inbound, number 3, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 16. Oh, outside. Kick out team ball.
Yung gate dyan na malaki, huwag natin hawakan yung bago piktura lang yan.
Number 27, jump shot. No good. Only number 1982, pass to number 11, jump shot. No good again. Rebound by number 1. Subahit. Pass to number 16. Number 16, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 2, jump shot. No good. Checker team ball. Number 27, dribble the ball. Outside, same ball. Ano kaya lasa ng lemon juice? Number 03, jump shot. No good. Only number 13 ang bola. Ano kaya lasa ng lemon juice? Jump shot in number 13, no good. Number 27, pass to number 1982 for 2 points. Number 2, the pass, binaba na ang bola. The pass, oh! Nakalisod. Foul number 27. Sorry na. First personal foul, first team foul. Subdivision rep. Kemistakan, ikaw ay walang pinag-iba. Number 30, pass to number 1, Hubahid, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1982, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 22. Layup for 2 points. Lamang na po ang second team. Number 1, binaba na ang bola. Hubahid, dribble the ball. Foul. Number 27. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Ay, kung galawan mo ba ay? Iwan? Yung ikot niya ang ganun, ba?
Number 30, pass to number 1. Time to shoot. 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Number 0. Number 27. One shot. Foul counter. Who's foul? Number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul. Is brought to you by Robus. Kapag single ka, mag-Robus ka. Siguradong magtatagal ka sa banyo. Robus. And Katali Siguradong tanggal ang iyong galing sa kagsaling. 1 point. Ay, hindi pa ba? Kapos ba? Sorry. Number 30. Binaba na ang bola. Number 30, dribble the ball. Pass to number 13. Jump shot, no good. Dribble by number 3, Espinosa, no good. Espinosa again for 2 points. Inbound, number 27. Pass to number 33, back to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 22, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1982, pass to number 11, binigay kay number 03. No good. Naabutan ni numbers. Pass to number 27. 10 to shoot. Number 27, napitawan ang bola, nakuha number 16, pass to number 1. Number 1, libreng-libre. Top ball for 2 points. Parang ano? Number 03, pass to number 1982. Oh, foul! Number 3, Espinosa. Third personal foul. Second, team foul. Foul. Inbound, number 1982. Pass to number... Number 27. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola. Hubahid. Binaba ng bola. Hubahid. Sinilaksak. Dinirecho na. No good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Number 27. Dinirecho na. No good. Number 30, Benitez. Binaba na kagad ang bola sa kanilang court. Number 16, the Muscle Robbers lag 9 for 2 points. Number 11, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11. Number 11, dinirecho pero naunang bitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, sumalaksak pero nabitawan ng bola. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul, rep? Substitution, rep. Substitution, rep. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Time out! Check our team. Okay, back to the ball team. Eric. Inbound. Number 13. Pass to number 13. 6 to shoot. Number 13 jump shot. 4 3 points.
Basta lagi mong tatandaan. Sa lahat ng oras, nandito lang ako, Nobita.
Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 05. Number 05. Sinasa kay number 12. Pinigay kay number 1982. Jump shot for 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Inbound number 13. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pinababa na ang bola. Number 1. Number piso. Sinira. No good. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola. Number 27. Diniretso pa ang aksyon. No good. Nakuha ni number 05 ang bola. Number 05, pass to number 9. Oh! Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Still with number 12, pass to number 03. Still with number 1. Nakuha ni number 1 pa rin ang bola. Hubahib. Hubahib, pass to number 13. Oh! Robbery violation. Number 27, binababa na ang bola. Number 27, still by number 1, Ubahib. Nilayap for 2 points. Okay, tagal. Yan ako. Number 05. Number 05, dribble the ball. Number 03, pass to number, step in number 23, pass to number 30. Number 30, binaba na ang bola. Benitez. Lahanap ng papasahan, nakita si number 23, Alvarez. Alvarez, pass to number 30. Number 30, pass to number 13, tinira for 2 points. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Score 46-39 in favor of CY8 Number 27, pass to number 1982. Pass to number 12, binigay number 03, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola. Number 1, dribble the ball. Nababa na po ang bola, ay pinasa kay number 13. Number 13, sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 30, Benitez. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 23, Alvarez. No good. Ang tirang spot. Natapik ang bola. Nakuha ni number 13. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Dribble the bola. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 05, the Chugger team. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pinarecho pa. No good. Nakuha ni number 1 ng CY8 team. Hubahib. Hubahib, pass to number 23, Alvarez, no good. Wow. Number 1982.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 13. Pass to number 13. Outraveling violation. Number 22, binaba na ang bola. Number 22, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble. No good. One number 30 ang bola. There lang. Number 21, Gaspar, jump shot. Number 22, tinira, no good. Only number 13 ang bola. Number 13, pinaba na ang bola. Palputila. Pass to number 30. Jump shot. No good. Alvarez, number 23. Jump shot. No good again. Nakuha ni number 27. Pass break to number 05. Number 05 for 2 points. Inbound, number 30. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pinabangan na ang bola. Pass to number 21, Gaspar. No good. Ang tirang spot. Number 27. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Last 10 seconds. Jump shot. 3 points. Number 30. 2 seconds. The end of the third quarter. Joke lang. Basketball game.
Last five pala, last five.
Last. Yan. Number 2, pass to number 1982. Jump shot to number 11 for 2 points. Rebound number 2, pass to number 13, back to number 2. Number 2, the pass. Binigay ulit kay number 14, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Number 27, foul. Number 13, sorry. First personal foul, first team foul. Is brought to you by Tubong Mahaba, Mataba, Matigas. Yan ang PBC ng Pinas. One point. Last one shot. No good. Winning number 22, Kinira. For 2 points. Inbound number 3. Pass to number 2, the pass. The pass, dribble the ball. Binigay kay number 1, pass to number 13, nilayap for 2 points. Inbound number 11. Pass, ay 11. Bubulong ako. Number 22. Wobbling violation. Banta. Yun, happy viewing kay Banta. Mukhang si Banta magpapalayan sa akin. Number 2, pass to number 1. Number 13. Foul tag. Number 22, first personal foul, first team foul.
Okay, guys.
Number 03, pass to number 27. Number 27, sumalaksak. Okay, no good. Number 1, Hubahid. Nakapik ang bola, nakuha pa rin ng number 23, pass to number 2, the pass. The pass, nilayap for 2 points. Inbound number 1982, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27. Dribble ang bola. Pass to number 11. Block to number 14. Bola number 22, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 3, Espinosa. Pass breaking number 1, still by number 27. Number 27, pinapahina ulit ang bola. Jump shot. No good. Number 1982 for 2 points. Number 2, the pass. Pinapahina ang bola. The pass. Pass to number 23 and outside, same ball, same points. Peterson Rock. Number 13. Pass to number 1. Outside. Sam! Oh, sige. Oh, ayan. Number 13. Binigay pa number 13 for 2 points. Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 57-51 in favor of GYA India. Number 27. Diretso na, pero pinasa kay number 1982 for 2 points. Inbound number 2, pass to number 1, Hubahid. Hubahid, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Foul. Who's foul? Number 03. First personal foul, second team foul. Okay, again. Lang ako. Maybe safe at maybe just one shot to Palcro. Nakita ka, hindi. Mayakit. Rebound by number 1982, pass to number 11. Number 11, dribble roll. Pass to number 27. Oh. Foul. Ang tawag ng referee, number 30. First personal foul, second team foul. Inbound number 27, pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number 1982, natapik, pero nakuha na number 27. Pass to shoot, jump shot, number 22, no good. Rebound by number 1, Wahid, pass to number 2, the pass. Nilayap, easy, for 2. Inbound number 11, pass break to number 27, jump shot, no good. Number 1, pass to number 13, Pinira for 2 points. Inbound number 1987, pass to number 27. 1982. Number 27, dribble the ball. Remaining time, last 5 minutes. 10 to shoot. Number 03, jump shot. No good. And number 1 on ball. Benitez, binigay kay number 13, pag-cute sila. No good. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27. Pass to number 03. 10 to shoot. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 22 ang bola. Number 22, number 1982, hindi na no good. Nakuha ni number 1 ang bola, Hubahid. Hubahid, jump shot, no good. Pass to number 30, no good again. Number 13, no good again. Scatter na, foul. Number 03. Time out. Okay. Inbound number 2, pass to number 13, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 1982, pass to number 05. Binigay kay number 27. Number 27, nilayap. No good. Nakuha ni number 13 ang bola. Number 13, binabang ang bola. Number 13, itinira na. No good. Number 12, still nakuha ni number 1. Foul. Who's foul? 1982. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. 1 point.
No good.
Number 3 Espinosa for 2 points. Inbound number 1982, pass to number 11. Number 11. Nakuha na ni number 13 ang bola, pass. Oh, outside. Trigger team ball. Inbound number 27. Pass to number 05. Number 05 back to number 27. Number 27 dribble the ball. Number 27 jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 1 Hubahid. Hubahid. Inirecho na. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number. Nakapikang bola ni number 2. The pass. Nakuha ni number 1982. Jump shot. No good. Number 1982 again. Pass to number 11. Jump shot. No good. Number 1982 for 2 points. Para sa'yo talaga yan. Inbound number 3. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 13. Number 30. Pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 1. Hubahid. Hubahid. Sinalaksa pero pinasa ng number 30, Benitez, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 05. Number 05, ang buwan ng foul. Who's foul? Number 30.
Substitution rep.
Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 30, second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 27, dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 21. Number 21, pass to number 1. Number 1, dribble the ball. Hubahid. Hubahid. Jump shot. No good. Ako ni number 27, agad-agad binaba ang bola. Number 27, diniretso pa for 2 points. Number 2, the pass. Pass to number 21, Gaspari, jump shot, no good. Ako ni number 1982. Pass to number 27. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 1982. Mag-uusap yung dalawang yan. Nagpulungan pa nga. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 49 seconds. The score, 64. Ano? 59. Tama? Counted. All goaltenders. 64-59. In favor of CY18. Number 13. Back to number 2. The pass. The pass. Dribble the ball. Bitawan pero nakuha ni number 25 ang bola. Yan. Oh. Jump ball. Same ball. Same ball. Shot clock. Number 2, pass to number 13. Pass to number 1. Hubahid. Binigay kayo na. Matapik ang bola. Nakuha ni number 12 ang bola ng take-out team. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Malaksak. Jump shot. For 2. Inbound number 2. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Back to number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 25. Mala! Mala ka dyan! For 2 points. Mala ka dyan. Mala ka dyan. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Jump shot. No good. Number 13. Dribble the bola. 50 seconds. 10 to shoot. Mala ka dyan. Mala ka dyan. For 3 points. Mala ka dyan. Mala ka dyan. Jump shot, no good. 30 seconds. Malaka. Malaka dyan. Malaka dyan. Twenty seconds. 15 seconds. No good. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner